Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search up for a flight in the Airpaz application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should stay here, and up there you can see at the left side of your screen the flight option. Press on it. And here you can select first if you want to have a one-way trip or a round trip. Now it depends on your preference, and then you have to select where are you coming from at first. So for example, Cluj-Napoca, and you have to select after that the destination, for example Vienna. And you also have to select now the departure date, and the travelers. So how much adult, how much child, and how much infant. I'm just going to leave now for one adult. And finally the class. It can be an economy, a premium economy, a business, or a first class. Now in this case I'm just going to leave on the economy, and then I can just press search flight. And let's see when it loads in how much options we have. There is quite a few, it seems like, so you can select any of these, and basically if you like it you can just press select and basically proceed with the next steps. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.